Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Gracie. Now Gracie is coming out to Dwayne. She's letting him know that she's ready for him and she's ready to tackle anything that he has to say. She wants him to come out and tell the truth because according to allegedly, he's not telling the truth to the people. He's not talking what the people needs to hear, and it's the truth from the question that Gracie has been asking him. So just catch the video, watch, comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, it's a saga, so it will continue. Have a wonderful day.
The free show now, I'm supposed to beg. Him stink and Betty show him around my house to walk. Look how much time I show. If I'm move, look how much time I show him now around my house. I want my house, me come for advertise. Me I work with housing trust. You don't know how house stay. Me know a bed city you live in, but you must know how house stay. You don't know how house stay. Germs, you don't know how house stay. Eh? You don't know how house stay now. Listen to me now, you don't know how house stay. Dirty Louisa, you don't know how stay. I talk, me don't want you distract the people. We want you come and talk the truth. And that we want. We want you to come and talk the truth. Because me have the truth, And me have everything, Me have the thing them, or you did say one thing before, and you come back and say one more thing. Louisa, rather if you're ready for Gracie. I wonder if you can manage me. I wonder if you can angle when Gracie ready for you. Eh? I wonder if you want me to make a scream for you today. If you say, hey, I wonder if you can manage what I come on foot. I wonder if you think I drop me the pan. I'm not chatting. A government or me not living on a government housing. Me not living on nothing for government or me never give me nothing yet. Come. Me say I wonder if you can manage it. You can't style me. You cannot style me. You know, see your yellow teeth them when you come by your body. You know, see your teeth them one brush. You don't see the teeth when you bring by your body. You know, see the teeth when you bring by your body. But look on the teeth them when you come by your boss with body. Eh? Chichi live under your teeth, them dirty Louisa. What do you want the teeth them when I show? Never see the teeth them when I show upon you. In nice clean mouth. You never see dirty in nice clean mouth when show upon you. They said Louisa, I'm ready. I am ready for you. Yes, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you, Louisa. I can't style you. You go see. You go see. Hey, me could be big for all them. What you say? Me defend myself with all them. It's your time now. It's your time now, dirty Louisa. It's your time now. Me done with them people until me ready for them again. It's your time now. Nasty Louisa, it's your time now. Nothing what you say now go grieve me today for me change my mind. It's your time now, bitch. When me bring out the things them pan you come for me, John Crow. I say a long time, you bring down the people, and you laugh with the people like you like them. And you never like them. You never like them. You can't come with no proof, man, no receipt, but Gracie. How you can come and chat and yappings. I come with proof and receipt them, and you say, who are going to win? Germs, who are going to win now? Who are going to win? Me now watch views over here, so you have a big up. You have 30 at toast and 17 me have. Me now go watch views, but who are going to win? Who is going to win? You not come with no proof, no receipt. Evidence and proof and receipt the people them want to see. And you don't have that, Duisha. You don't have that. And me not look crowd. If me not look crowd, me not go YouTube. If me not look crowd, me not go me yard. When me come out with the rest of proof and the receipt them, your head not start hurting yet. When me come out with the rest of proof them and the receipt them, remember when you step on your life, them last life them, you know. So me I go dig up your life them before that. Me I go dig up your life them before that. And me I go bring them. Yes, my love, I'm gonna bring them. Me I go bring them. But go to all the people who cuss me. Them a cuss me with no proof. All I know if you gang up on this a girl here. You can't come 1-1. You cannot come 1-1. I still care with me when Wally Pauno I come for me one. You cannot win me. You still can't black for save no life when I Wally Pauno and me one. And when I'm me one, you can't black for save no life. Eh? You cannot black for save no life when I'm Wally Pauno and me one. The wish I'm ready for you. I only hope you can cook up. You can name me cook up for you. Because me I go show say you are liar. Me I go prove to you are liar pan ya. Me I go prove that you are nothing but a liar. So the recording look all upon the screen recording. When me screen record from off of the live. You were on the live the day the wish. What were you saying? Who are you bigging up? Who are you bigging up? Who are you bigging up on the live? You want me to remind you? The screen recording is there. Who are you bigging up on that live? And why were you bigging up that person? What did you say in the big up? Me love when you post. Me love when you talk the things that me love when you come up on your live. And you talk the things that who the person always a customer in life? Do we show come here now? Come here, girl. Come and read, little girl. Sit down here, little girl, my teacher is done. You swear Gracie daddy? You want to rejoice that Gracie dead? Eh? Gracie dead, you know. Gracie now come back on top. That's why you that try kill me channel. Because you know me that come back out with the truth them. And true, you want them, but don't want the truth come out. Want to try kill me, but it never work. It never work. Germs, it never work. It did not work. It never work. Try again. It never work. Alright. You're just over there. And you say, me hungry.